Alright, it's kind of too hot in here to wear this. I mean, I'm probably not going to even go outside. Alright, today's video is going to be... okay, today's video is going to be a little bit different than my previous ones, in that it might be a bit shorter. We'll see at the end. This is sort of a prologue to the video. I want to start producing more content, like as much as I possibly can. And to do that, I mean, I've been trying for one video a week, but I really need to pick up the pace if I really want to start putting some content out. So, today I've come up with a little challenge for myself. I want to see how much of a video I can make from shooting to editing in 2 hours, starting now. Alright, let's do this. Also, I've noticed that I do a lot. Hang on. Alright, that should be a bit better. I do a lot of spinning around. I don't really notice it until I watch the video and I actually kind of start making myself dizzy. It's weird. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of an experiment that I kind of came up with. I wanted to find out if you could apply something to a bathroom mirror and keep it from fogging up so much. I had this issue, like you see here, I don't shave very often. One of the issues is because, you know, I like to shave after I get out of the shower. Well, it's hot in the bathroom, it's steamy. I can't see myself in the mirror. Cuts, scrapes, it's a mess. So I'm gonna see if I can put something on the mirror to fix that. Bought these a couple of years ago to put on my car, the inside of my car windshield, and they work pretty good. It says cleans and reduces interior fogging on glass and mirrors. It says mirrors. Let's give it a shot. Alright, here's the plan. Okay, I'm going to divide this in half, straight down the middle with some tape. This side is going to have nothing on it, just as it was, and then that side is going to have the Rain-X on it. So where did I put the Rain-X? I know it doesn't have to be. Son of a. Okay. Why can't I get this crap on the string? Tear open packet where indicated, check. Firm, circular, and overlapping motion. That's what she said. Use a clean, dry, soft paper towel to get them tear off. Okay. So I'm supposed to clean it. Alright. I thought I was supposed to just keep rubbing the stuff on until it dried. Alright, it's applied. Ooh, that's not a fun sound. Alright, now for the test, I'm going to turn the shower on hot and leave the room for a few minutes. Alright, well that didn't go as expected, obviously. I had such high hopes for the Rain-X. Alright, well we'll give it a second. Let's see if maybe it fades faster. Let's see. I did not see that one coming. Rain-X actually did not work as well as nothing. That is strange. Like, it actually made it worse with the anti-fog coating. Learn something new every day, I guess. Alright, so, epilogue time. I came close. It was about, I was going for 2 hours, I got 3. I'm pretty happy with it, especially when you consider that my normal turnaround time has been at least 2 days. So, I cut off 68? 69 hours. Off my video production time, so I'm happy with it. Keep working, try and make it a bit better, get it a bit shorter. And as I said, I mean, hopefully this will let me, if I can keep this kind of pace up, I can get a bit more energy, I can get more videos out, and just be more active on my channel. That's all I got for this video. I got some more stuff coming up next few days, so stay tuned. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.